If your workday is packed and dieting feels impossible, this video is for you. You're slammed, meetings, deadlines, and by the time you think about food, you're starving. So you grab whatever's quick, junk that leaves you sluggish and guilty. Tomorrow, same story. The cycle never ends. But healthy eating isn't complicated or time-consuming. I'll show you 3 go-to recipes, delicious, fast, and designed for real results. These meals are your secret weapons, quick, tasty, and effective. Ready to turn your lunch break into your biggest advantage? Let's get cooking. First up, the creamy herb tuna yogurt power bowl. This is the ultimate answer to those days when you're starving, short on time, and craving something that's both satisfying and genuinely good for you. Whether you're powering through a busy workday, coming home after a workout, or just need a quick, wholesome meal, this bowl is about to become your new go-to. 5 minutes, that's all you need. Seriously, set a timer, and you'll be amazed at how quickly you can whip up something this delicious and nourishing. No fancy equipment, no complicated steps, just real food, real fast. Forget sad sandwiches. This is a protein-packed, energizing meal that crushes cravings. Instead of reaching for something processed or bland, you're about to enjoy a bowl that's bursting with flavor, color, and texture. It's the kind of lunch that makes you look forward to your break. Start with quality tuna, drain it well for perfect flaky chunks. Opt for tuna packed in water or olive oil, whichever you prefer, but make sure it's well drained so your salad isn't watery. Flake it gently with a fork to keep those satisfying, hearty pieces. Swap mayo for full-fat Greek yogurt. It's creamy, tangy, and loaded with protein. Greek yogurt not only lightens up the dish, but it also adds a rich, velvety texture and a subtle tang that pairs perfectly with the tuna and herbs. Add a big dollop to your tuna. Don't be shy. This is what makes the salad so luscious and satisfying. The yogurt binds everything together and gives you that creamy mouthfeel without the heaviness of mayo. Chop fresh dill, parsley, and chives. Don't skimp. The herbs make it vibrant. They bring a burst of freshness and a pop of green that wakes up the whole bowl. If you have other herbs on hand, like basil or tarragon, feel free to toss those in too. The more the merrier. Squeeze in fresh lemon juice for brightness. The acidity cuts through the richness of the tuna and yogurt, making every bite taste light and zesty. If you love a little extra zing, add some lemon zest as well. Season with sea salt and freshly cracked black pepper. Don't underestimate the power of good seasoning. It brings all the flavors together and makes the bowl truly crave-worthy. Gently mix. Keep the tuna chunky, not mushy. You want to see those beautiful flakes and bits of herbs throughout. The texture is what makes this bowl so satisfying. For the base, use a bed of greens, spinach, arugula, or mixed leaves. These greens add fiber, vitamins, and a crisp bite that balances the creamy tuna. If you like, toss the greens with a splash of olive oil and a pinch of salt for extra flavor. Spoon the tuna mix over the greens. Let it sit right on top so you get a bit of everything in each forkful. The contrast between the cool, crisp greens and the creamy, herby tuna is unbeatable. Add crunch with toasted sunflower seeds or walnuts. This step is key for texture and adds healthy fats that keep you full longer. You can also try pumpkin seeds or sliced almonds for a different twist. Top with sliced cucumber, cherry tomatoes, and red onion for color and freshness. These veggies add a juicy crunch and a burst of sweetness that makes the bowl feel extra special. Don't be afraid to add whatever fresh veggies you have on hand. Radishes, bell peppers, or even avocado work beautifully. This bowl is a nutritional powerhouse. Protein, healthy fats, fiber, and micronutrients. It's balanced to keep your energy steady, your hunger at bay, and your taste buds happy. You're not just eating to fill up, you're fueling your body for whatever comes next. Every bite is creamy, tangy, crunchy, and fresh. It's a symphony of flavors and textures that makes healthy eating feel like a treat, not a chore. Prep the tuna mix in the morning, greens in another container. Assemble in seconds at lunch. This bowl is perfect for meal prep. Just keep the tuna and greens separate until you're ready to eat, and you'll have a fresh, delicious meal wherever you are. No more excuses. 5 minutes, and you're eating like a king. It's faster than waiting in line for takeout, and 100 times better for you. This isn't diet food. It's smart, delicious food that fuels your day. You'll feel the difference in your energy, your focus, and your mood. Next time you're too busy, remember this bowl. It's proof that you can eat well, even on your busiest days, with just a handful of simple ingredients. The power to transform your health is right here, in 5 minutes. It's not about perfection. It's about making small, smart choices that add up over time. Now, get in the kitchen and make it. Your future self will thank you for every delicious, nourishing bite. Survive the day? If you're like most of us, you're walking through the door after a long day at work, feeling drained, hungry, and tempted to just collapse on the couch. The last thing you want is to spend an hour in the kitchen or wait for a greasy takeout order to arrive. But what if you could whip up a meal that's not only lightning fast but also helps you burn fat, build muscle, and feel amazing, all in just 7 minutes? Don't reach for takeout. Make the 7-minute chili egg white veggie scramble. It's the ultimate after-work hack. Quick, healthy, and so satisfying you'll forget all about those delivery apps. Plus, you'll save money and avoid the heavy, bloated feeling that comes with fast food. Egg whites are pure protein, muscle building, metabolism boosting, and fast. They're low in calories, fat-free, and packed with amino acids your body craves after a long day. Think of them as your secret weapon for staying lean and energized, even when you're short on time. Use liquid egg whites for speed. No separating needed. Just pour, measure, and you're ready to go. It's the ultimate shortcut for busy nights, and you'll never have to deal with broken yolks or wasted eggs again. Heat a non-stick pan with a spray of olive oil. This keeps your scramble light and heart healthy, while making sure nothing sticks. Olive oil adds a subtle richness and helps your veggies cook perfectly. Dice bell pepper and onion. Toss them in the pan and let them sizzle. The aroma alone will wake up your senses and make your kitchen feel like a fresh start. These veggies add crunch, color, and a dose of vitamins that your body needs after a stressful day. Add a pinch of chili flakes for a metabolism kick. Chili not only brings heat and flavor, but it also helps your body burn more calories, perfect for anyone looking to shed a little extra fat. Throw in a handful of spinach. Watch it wilt in seconds. Spinach is loaded with iron, fiber, and antioxidants, and it practically disappears into the scramble, making it an easy way to sneak in more greens. Pour in a cup of egg whites, and gently fold with a spatula. The egg whites will start to set almost instantly, soaking up all the flavors from the veggies and spices. Keep it moving, soft, fluffy, and never dry. The key is to stir gently, and often, so your scramble stays tender and light, not rubbery or overcooked. Season with salt and pepper at the end for perfect texture. This way, you control the flavor and keep the eggs from getting watery. Slide the scramble onto a plate. Colorful, steamy, and satisfying. The vibrant veggies and fluffy eggs make this dish look as good as it tastes. Add sliced avocado for healthy fats and creamy contrast. Avocado not only tastes amazing, but it also helps keep you full and satisfied, so you're less likely to snack later. Finish with fresh cilantro or parsley for a burst of flavor. Herbs brighten up the whole meal and add a touch of freshness that makes every bite pop. In less than 10 minutes, you've got a meal packed with protein, fiber, and spice. It's a powerhouse combo that fuels your body, supports recovery, and keeps your metabolism humming long after you've finished eating. It's filling, light, and perfect for fat loss. No bloat, no guilt. You'll feel energized, not sluggish, and you'll be proud of making a smart choice for your body and your goals. Next time you're tired and hungry, skip the delivery apps. Remember, you can make something better, faster, and healthier right in your own kitchen. Give yourself 7 minutes and a meal that works for you. With this scramble, you're not just eating, you're investing in your health, your energy, and your future. So grab those veggies, crack open the egg whites, and make tonight's dinner the highlight of your day. Craving takeout? We've all been there, staring at a menu, tempted by the promise of something quick, hot, and delicious. But what if you could have that same satisfaction, with a fraction of the calories and none of the guilt, right from your own kitchen? Skip the delivery fees and make a warm lemon chicken slim wrap instead. It's fast, incredibly satisfying, and keeps things lean and healthy. Plus, you'll know exactly what's going into your meal. No mystery sauces or hidden oils. Start with thin-cut chicken breast cutlets. They cook in a flash, just 2 to 3 minutes per side, so you can have lunch or dinner on the table in no time. If you only have regular chicken breasts, just slice them horizontally to make them thinner and speed up the cooking. Season the chicken generously with salt, pepper, garlic powder, and smoked paprika. This simple blend gives you that crave-worthy takeaway flavor, but without the heavy breading or deep frying. You can even add a pinch of chili flakes if you like a little heat. Heat a non-stick pan with a drizzle of olive oil until it's shimmering, then sear the chicken. Let it get golden and juicy on both sides. The aroma alone will make you forget all about takeout. Once the chicken is cooked through, let it rest on a board to keep it juicy. Meanwhile, don't waste those flavorful pan juices. Squeeze in the juice of half a lemon right into the hot pan. The sizzle and steam will lift all those tasty brown bits. Add a knob of butter or a splash of olive oil, and toss in some freshly chopped parsley. The butter melts into the lemon, creating a silky aromatic sauce that's both zesty and rich. If you want to keep it extra light, just use olive oil. Swirl the pan gently to bring everything together. The result is a bright, tangy sauce that's perfect for drizzling over your wrap, adding a burst of flavor without piling on calories. For the wrap, choose a low-carb, high-fiber option. Whole wheat, spinach, or even cauliflower-based wraps work great. These keep you full longer and add a subtle nutty flavor that pairs perfectly with the chicken. Spread a thin layer of hummus or Greek yogurt on your wrap. Hummus adds creaminess and a boost of plant-based protein, while Greek yogurt brings a tangy cooling element that balances the lemony chicken. Next, pile on a handful of fresh arugula. Its peppery bite cuts through the richness and adds a vibrant green crunch. You can swap in baby spinach or mixed greens if you prefer. Slice the rested chicken into strips and layer it generously over the greens. Don't forget to spoon that luscious lemon butter sauce over the top. It soaks into the wrap and ties all the flavors together. For extra crunch and freshness, add thin slices of red onion, juicy tomato, and crisp cucumber. These veggies not only add color and texture, but also boost the vitamin content of your meal. Fold the wrap tightly, but be careful not to overstuff. This keeps everything neat and easy to eat. If you want to take it up a notch, toast the wrap in a hot pan for a minute or two. This step adds a satisfying crunch and brings out the flavors even more, making your homemade wrap feel like a gourmet treat. This wrap is loaded with lean protein from the chicken, healthy fats from olive oil and hummus, plenty of fiber from the wrap and veggies, and a rainbow of vitamins and minerals. It's a balanced meal that fuels your body and keeps you energized. Every bite feels indulgent, but you can feel good knowing it supports your health and fitness goals. It's the kind of meal that makes healthy eating feel like a treat, not a chore. So next time cravings hit, whether you're at home, at work, or on the go, fight back with this warm lemon chicken slim wrap. In just 10 minutes, you'll have a meal that's fresh, flavorful, and totally satisfying. You're not just skipping takeout, you're winning at lunch. 3 incredible meals, all done in minutes, no more excuses. Healthy eating isn't a chore, it's your most powerful tool for change. Pick a recipe and make it, lunch, dinner, whenever. Feel the difference in energy and satisfaction. This is a lifestyle, not a quick fix. Small, smart choices add up. You can do this. I know you can. Like and subscribe to Slimsync for more fast, healthy meals. Drop a comment. Which recipe will you try first? Now get off YouTube and get in the kitchen. Let's get it done.